Happy New Year 2019. It is the 1st of January.
Tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Color trees.
Well, we say Happy New Year. We left at 6:30, 7 o'clock this morning, and we've reached Nantwich. What's happening here, Dan? The turbo gave up on him, which is not good. So I've just flirted back, got another turbo. It's alright when you've got a mechanic, isn't it? It is the 1st of January. Happy New Year. Got the boat on the back. I've got the ski here. We're on the way to the Menai Straits today. Well, if all goes well, that is. We'll see you there.
Straight toward the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland whisper in my ear, make my troubles all disappear. Way on this wicked black, I'll feel the soft sand right under the warm sun in his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Loud. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer, will I get closer? Will I get closer? I know that you're thinking about me. I know that you're dreaming about me. Spinning like a planet around me, 'cause I'm the F-A-M-E. I know that you hate me, body down, you envy me. Wanna be in my place, in my skin, 'cause I'm a Q-U-E-N. You think that we are same, but make the same mistake. Don't waste my time, man, I get lost. You don't wanna sing with the boss. Oh baby, you have a pretty face, Oh, don't cock your nose and know your place, You won't get ever level. You are not even close. You just wanna be around me, a pretty wanna be, I shall wanna be.
Good morning. It is the 3rd of January, day 3 out on the water. We're back at Menai Slip. Just check out how flat that water is. It's like glass. Our intentions today were to go home, but we couldn't miss out on this. Temperature is about 4 or 5 degrees at the moment. Wind is between 3 and 4 knots. not as you can feel anything here. It's stunning. A bit of cloud cover. Let's do this.
And you come around. It looks so awkward and embarrassing now. You never steal my drive, you never copy me. I only copy RRGHD. I live in a spotlight, I'm so bright as the poster shining at night. I don't need no mic, I don't need no guitars, but I rock 'cause I'm alive, I stay young. You think that we are same, but make the same mistake. Don't waste my time, letting it last. You don't wanna sing with the boss. Oh baby, you have a pretty face, a pretty face. Oh, don't come and know your place, know your place. You won't get ever level. You are not even close. You just wanna be around me, a pretty wannabe, a shadow wannabe. Oh baby, you have a pretty face, a pretty face. Oh, don't block your nose and know your place, know your place. You won't get ever level. You are not even close. You just wanna be around me, a pretty wannabe, a shadow wannabe, you're a wannabe, yeah.
Well, at the end of 3 epic days, we've just done a full loop of Anglesey. We're shattered.
Bit fresh.
It is a bit fresh, but that over there is like a mirror. It didn't feel like you were moving apart from the wind in your face. It was incredible. I think it's time to sign off. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell if you want to see any more videos in the future. Say goodbye, Dan.
Goodbye.